So now let us see one assignment, and the assignment here will be very crazy and very interesting. That is like most of us might be using smartwatches. If not, we might be getting a chance to see the activity rings within that smartwatch also. So that type of activity or that type of assignment we are trying to show it now. And here we can able to see some kind of checks that is related to water and something related to steps, sleep and stand. So some kind of our daily exercise tracking kind of. And if my target is to drink 10 glasses of water per day, and as of now, if I might have just drank only 5 glasses, then automatically we should be getting it showing it in statistical form. Okay, so here we can able to see one green color circle, and this completely linked up with something called water. And here target is my 10, and the thing what I given is like 5. So it has to show 50 percentage out of that ring, and the number of glasses what we mentioned that should be showing automatically here. Suppose if I change this to something like 8 and target is still 10, so it should be like 80 percentage of that, and I can see number changing to 8 and percentage wise 80. Suppose if I change this to something like 20, then so count should be as the same here, and it has to be changed maybe to 20 percentage, whatever it is. Okay, so this is what we're understanding. Similarly, it is showing something related to steps also. Maybe per day, if my target is to put, or if my target is for 1000 steps, and as of now I might be just with 100 steps, so it should be just like in 10 percentage of this, right? So whatever the number we are entering, that should be automatically showing up here, and that has to be calculated with its target. Percentage should be calculated, and that should be showing up in this second ring, that is pink color. So if I change this to something like 250, so 25 percentage it has to be changed up. And if I change this back to something like 500, according to this percentage calculation with the target and showing it in the figure, showing it in this concentric circles. This is what the assignment. Similarly for sleep, if I'm just having like 4 hours, and if my target is 8 hours, then it should be like 50 percentage. Maybe if it is like 6 hours, and target might be according to that 75 percentage. Okay, and similarly for the stand as well, if I have to stand for 12 times a day, and even target is 12, it has to show 100 percentage. So the yellow color circle what we are seeing, it has to show 100 percentage. So what we generally see this in all the smart watches. So the same requirement or same kind of OOTB we are having it in our PRTC also. So you can straight away pass these parameters and calculate that with the target amount, and passing that percentage for this particular map or particular concentric circle figure, and getting out things. So data visualization is what we're understanding by just passing the parameters. So this should be most crazy and interesting for you. So every one of you can just give an attempt on